Hey guys, hope you're all doing okay. So, as you might have heard by now, LG has officially announced that it's quitting the smartphone industry as a whole. Press F in the fam chat. A little bit of my soul just died. This company has so much potential and I do feel sorry for them, but it is a little hard to feel sorry for them because they were offered to sell their smartphone division recently to a company with a ton load of money, but they just asked for way too much and then they declined and they didn't even bother to negotiate. They fell to the same trap as Nokia, Microsoft, HTC, because they failed to adapt. I've known this company since 2009, and just about 5 to 6 years ago they made the most beautiful flagships, amazing designs with amazing specifications. I still remember when LG announced the LG G2. Not only it had a beautiful design with high quality materials and a detailed finish, but also had a QHD screen with amazing Snapdragon processor while undercutting its competitors significantly in price. A QHD screen in 2013. Back then, having a 720p was considered high-end. Then came the LG G3, which was an incremental upgrade in every case, but still a worthy one. From my personal research and what I've seen personally, that's exactly when they saw a decline in their sales. LG G4 was still fine, but LG G5 and onwards, they decreased the amount of advertisements and marketing. Their market share started declining, and now, why did this happen? It's because they thought that they had figured out the magic formula. They got way too comfortable. They failed to adapt. While competitors were giving us cutting-edge specifications, beautiful designs, they were fixated on providing incremental updates with the same price tag. If that wasn't enough, they tried to use their useless branding of ThinkQ. So they tried to rebrand themselves and it didn't really work for them. And now the designs were interchangeable, and instead of rethinking their strategy, they kept on going on. After a couple of years, they started decreasing the price, but from 2016, the low budget segment and the mid budget segment started seeing really cheap and competent devices from the Chinese manufacturers. They were having an identity crisis because they were unclear as to what their value proposition is as compared to their competitors. Then they decided to provide the DAC high quality audio to the audiophiles. The problem? It's a really niche group. As luck or lack thereof would have it, Apple decided to remove the headphone jack and other companies followed soon. Now even that offering got nichier. Is that even a word? Nichier? I hope it's a comparative degree. Anyways, their last ditch effort was to wow people with a wow factor. We use phones and they serve a specific function, and I would say that practicality will always win over the wow factor, and I'm talking about the LG G Wing. LG Wing had a lot of publicity, but to this day I just fail to see the practical purpose. Don't get me wrong, I love LG and their flagships were competent, but just two screens mashed together, like you can't even fold them and there's a little screen on the top. It is an engineering marvel, but other than that, I don't think there's a practical use case. Their flagships were competent, but you need a lot more to survive in today's competition. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this perspective. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys later.